It feels so nice to have a driveway to pull into the property now, guys. If you watched last week's video, you see now we got at least a good, decent driveway and good entrance into our property. Let's freaking go. Yas. This weekend, honestly, I don't know what to do this weekend. So much stuff that I need to do. I don't know what to do or have the funds to do it or where to start, because I need to get more gravel in here to come all the way back. I got to get a new weed eater so I can cut all my grass down so I can get the gravel down back here. I got to get sonotubes for the plot so I can level those out so I can get concrete put in there and to get those done. My wife said, and you guys tell me what you think. So my wife said she wants to get goats and to start a garden out here too as well. So I'm not sure where to put those. Yeah, so any advice would help. It'd be nice. So I guess the garden, maybe I can do it more up front where there's more light and sunlight. And then the goats, I don't know, maybe I can clear out some of these trees next to the cabin and put some goats over there.
Maybe the garden can be out over there.
Yep, that's what I said. So I don't know, you guys let me know. For the meantime, I know while we're here, there's a big old pile of dirt where the bobcat that we had last weekend pushed all that dirt into a pile and then spread it out. So we're going to try to flatten that out as much as we can until we can get the bobcat back out here. Because we got to have it flat so I can get the gravel down.
Mm-hmm.
These butterflies is addicted to me over here. So that's what we're going to do for now. So I guess let's hop on that for now. And then we'll figure out what we're going to do next. Let's go.